Hi lovelies! Thank you for joining me to clean with me tonight. How's your day been so far? Mine at the moment are super busy, so I've had less morning cleaning time. Sure, I still like to straighten up, I need my feng shui correct, I need the place clean and tidy and the surface damage all gone. But some of the bigger jobs like I'm doing tonight, real good cleaning, I've left it till this evening. So if you've got some cleaning to do, I hope you jump up and clean along with me. Sunset madness. If you have any fur babies, or perhaps your children do this, but around sunset, my pups get super playful. They have done every single sunset for the last 5 years. Zoomies round the pool, all the toys come out. In tonight's video, you may see the pups a little more sprightly than usual. We'll see. When I clean at night, I have a priority list. Normally it's not written, it's just in my head. I don't like to put too much pressure on myself when I'm cleaning at night, but changing the bed and defurring the room were top of my priority list. But on a night when I clean, I'm just super happy with every job I achieve, because on a night, I don't know about you, but I'm shattered. So any cleaning job I achieve on a night, I'm really, really happy about, you know? I am loving these new pillows I just bought. They've got like an indent, if you can see, running down the middle, and it just lets your head snuggle into them. It gives me the best night's sleep. If you don't have any of these yet, give them a try. I highly recommend them. Nights are still pretty warm with us. They're around 20 degrees centigrade. So I'm just using the duvet cover and not inserting the duvet. That's perfect at this time of the year for us. Fabulous. The bed is changed. That was top priority. Next up, let's get some defurring done. Let's shake all the rugs outside and brush mop the floor and wet mop the floor. It's quite pretty out here in the night. I like lights, and we're looking out on the coastline. Those bright lights you can see in the distance, that's the airport. So the fur babies found me, or they just knew there was fresh clean sheets on the bed, and they like to enjoy the fresh clean sheets before we do. What flooring do you have in your home? Our floors are hard throughout, which is really hygienic with 4 fur babies, but if I owned this house, I would so have carpet in here. It is so lovely in autumn and winter to get in and out of bed when you've got carpet under your feet. Oh, I love that sensation. Anyway, this brush mop is an amazing fur magnet. I have one upstairs and one downstairs. And honestly, with 4 fur babies, I could not live without a brush mop in my life. See, the fur just sticks to it.
It's 1 a.m. and I ain't tired. I can stand right here and talk all night if you want. I ain't got no place to be, no one's waiting for me. I won't lie, I'm into you. Got like a million.
Then I love my wet mop to get everything lovely and clean. And the floor cleaner and the bleach, I find, act like a fantastic barrier, and they stop the fur sticking to the floor, meaning I can clean with a brush mop and the wet mop so much faster. I love speed, efficiency, cleanliness, and of course my fur babies. And now this is a great feeling. This room is fully clean. The bed is clean and changed. The floors are so clean. I'm super happy with this room now. Very, very satisfied. What's next? Normally I'd put the bed linen straight in the washing machine, but because we dry all our clothes outside, this will have to wait till the morning, when it's sunny again. After sundown, I like the bedroom prepared, ready to climb into bed later. So blackout blinds closed, blackout curtains perfectly closed, and that's a wrap. This room is beautifully clean and fresh. The pups have been so well behaved, so I gave them some well-deserved snuggles and love to say thank you. Tonight's clean with me is a realistic nighttime cleaning. It took me around 3 to 4 hours. I don't have the energy at night for cleaning marathons after a busy day. So I hope as you watch, you know I am pushing myself. Honestly, I'm powered by sunshine. Sunshine and daylight makes me happy and motivates me. I function maximum efficiency in daylight hours. So I hope this helps motivate you, knowing I am pushing myself tonight. I brush mop and I wet mop the hall and stairs a couple of times a week to keep the fur away and to keep everything lovely and clean.
It's blocked at times, but now somehow I'll give you my attention.
Because I knew I was cleaning tonight, I set the slow cooker away this afternoon. So at the end of today's video, I have a delicious Mediterranean, slow cooked, Greek giant bean dish. It's super tasty to share with you, so stick around for that recipe. It's a great side dish or part of a meze of small dishes like hummus, or it's perfect as a main with rice if you're vegan or vegetarian. If you're new here, thank you so much for joining me tonight. It means so much to me that you're here. I'm Kirsty, part mum to 4 lovable rescue fur babies. Each were found on the streets in Greece, and I'm wife to my husband. We've just had our 10th wedding anniversary. I love to make cleaning and decorating and healthy food videos. Oh, this big white furry shadow is JJ. He's never far away.
Rolling stone tonight, never to be said.
I love my sofa, but with 4 fur babies, the sofa throws keep everything really clean, and I love things clean. I change the sofa throws every 2 weeks, and then everything is just beautiful. This handheld mini vacuum is currently my very favourite cleaning tool. Seriously, I use it so many times a day. And it cost me €20. Sometimes cheap things do the job.
Don't know, I just don't know if I'll dance with the lights on. If you're gonna be moving on solo, wait a second, cause they're playing the best song. I'll be there if you reach out to me.
This gorgeous fur baby is Boo Boo. He will always be found in the very softest place, like on this pile of 9 cushions. And this precious little dot, this is Phoebe. She was a gift left on our driveway 4.5 years ago.
When we were younger, we used to sit on the grass among the flowers. We just let the days pass.
If you're new here, I've been wanting to decorate for autumn and fall for over a month, and now it's October. I want to decorate for Halloween too, but island life in the Mediterranean, my shops still have nothing in them for autumn or for Halloween yet. So fingers crossed when I go shopping this weekend, I'll find Halloween decor at least. I can't wait to redecorate for this season.
Stay up all night singing.
But I have got a huge task this week. I think it'll take a couple of days. For next week's video, I'm transforming my kitchen. All the cupboards are being emptied, cleaned, decluttered. The whole pantry's being reorganised. I've got new storage. So if you'd like some kitchen pantry organisation, cleaning and decluttering motivation, make sure you like and subscribe to today's video. See you next week's. And this week on my new cooking channel, I have one of my What I Eat in a Day videos with 3 new healthy vegan recipes. I'll link my new channel in the description box. A year ago, my husband suggested we change to a plant-based diet. Basically, food-wise, this is healthy vegan food. He was a huge meat eater, and pretty huge. Within 6 months, I lost 17 kilograms. I didn't know I had that much to lose, and he lost 40 kilograms. He looked like the guy I met when I was 19 again, and I couldn't be happier. So now I love to share my super tasty plant-based recipes that I create, and I love to help others if they want to get into shape for their health. I love food and I love cooking so much. Don't worry, the fur babies will have the cushions exactly how they want them again in no time. I correct the cushions all day long.
Stay up all night singing songs on the terrace. We didn't mind sitting out.
This dark wood cabinet shows the dust and the fur so much. I must clean it several times a week, but that's fine, it's pretty quick. The mini vac, my Pledge Clean It, does do a really good job with the microfiber cloth, keeping the dust away. It's just We haven't had any rain since before the summer, so probably May. So dust is at an all-time high right now. Perhaps it's time I do a rain dance.
17, when we were 17.
When do you like to clean? Daytime, nighttime, or both? As I was cleaning this TV, as normally a daytime cleaner, I saw marks on this TV that I'd never normally see. Of course, I clean this thoroughly, but I can't see all the marks I'm removing. So, as of tonight, I've decided every 2 weeks, approximately, I'll make sure I clean at night, because you can actually see different dirt and different dust and different marks at night to daytime in the different types of light. So, if you don't already clean in the daytime and nighttime, I highly recommend it.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you.
I'm very happy with the cleaning I've achieved tonight. My bedroom is super fresh again, and I can look forward to getting into bed tonight and smelling those gorgeous fresh sheets. There's nothing quite like it for days after you've cleaned the bed. It just smells, oh, so lovely. My whole hallway and staircase are lovely and clean again. I love my home being clean and tidy. It really calms and really relaxes and soothes me. Having a clean home, it cleans my mind. Is that just me? If you feel like your mind is cleaner and more calm when you have cleaned, let me know. It's not just me. I'm not alone in this.
You said my word on.
And I'm really happy that my main living area is tidy, organised, dirt and dust free. It's shiny and it's beautifully fresh and smelling fabulous. The throws on the sofa smell amazing. I'm very, very satisfied with what I've achieved tonight.
Life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the snow, we don't care about the others.
Thank you for joining me clean tonight. It's been lovely you being here. I hope to see you again next time. If you're new, be sure to say hi. If you're not new, say hi too. I love everyone's comments. Tell me where you're from, or tell me if you have any fur babies. Thanks again for being here. Thank you for joining me clean tonight. It's been so lovely you being here, and I hope to see you again next time for my kitchen declutter and reorganise and pantry. Oh, wish me luck with this cleaning mission I've got this week in the kitchen. It's going to be a huge job. Anyway, if you're new or if you're not new, say hi in the comments. Let me know where you're from, or tell me if you've got any fur babies. Thanks again for being here. Hope you have a lovely day. I have no success with houseplants. I should get a cactus. Next up is my slow cooker Greek giant bean dish. Super tasty if you want to stick around. And if you enjoyed tonight's clean with me, be sure to hit the like button before you leave. It really helps me out. Today's recipe is a traditional Mediterranean Greek dish. It's delicious slow-cooked giant beans. It has very few ingredients and it's super tasty. Here in Greece, you buy this in small tins as part of like a meze snack, but I'm home making this for 1/10 of the price. I like this as an easy snack ready in the fridge, full of protein and really healthy. Ideal for hungry teenagers or students. It freezes great, and it is a huge batch of high protein nutritious dinners. Overnight, I soaked 500 grams of giant beans, which are pretty much a bigger version of butter beans or lima beans. The next morning, I boiled them in a pan for 2 hours with 3 crushed garlic cloves and some pink salt. The bigger the bean, generally, the more boiling time needed. I sliced my tomatoes into approximately 1 inch long, 1 centimetre wide slices. I sliced my half pepper a little smaller, and the onions I sliced just a little smaller than the tomatoes. To make the sauce super tasty, I start it in the pan. On medium high, I cook my onions for a few minutes, until they begin turning translucent. Then I add my 2 bulbs of finely sliced garlic and chili pepper. Stir in, then I add my peppers for a couple of minutes and let them cook down. This is when the dish starts to smell amazing. Then I add my sliced fresh tomatoes and let these reduce right down for about 10 minutes, stirring regularly. I add my tin of chopped tomatoes and cook for another couple of minutes. Then it's slow cooker time. Add your beans and tomato sauce and the herbs you like. I have an abundance of rosemary in my garden. I'm finally crumbling the rosemary in. Some choose to use dill and parsley in this dish, but I'm not a fan. Dried herbs can be very flavoursome. Be careful how much you add. I add a full tube of tomato puree for a fantastically rich flavour. Plenty of pink salt, a little ground black pepper, and like all slow cooked Greek dishes, add a healthy amount of olive oil, approximately a tablespoon. This dish will have a thick sauce. Add some water if you want it saucier, and then cook on high for 6 hours. I like to stir every half hour, 45 minutes to make sure it doesn't stick at all. I've created a new channel just for my healthy plant-based vegan recipes. This week I have a new What I Eat in a Day video out, and I'll be adding my recipes in detail to this channel. So if you like my tasty, healthy recipes, I'll link my channel in the description box, and it's called Sunshine Kirsty's Healthy Vegan Cooking. I'll add recipes weekly here. Halloween recipes will be out soon. Thank you again for joining me. Hit the like and subscribe button, and I look forward to seeing you again next time. Hope you have a lovely day. Bye!